Hello everyone and welcome back to Growing with the Gold for the season of 2025. We're so excited to be here in our food production greenhouses in beautiful Blue Lake, California. We've got the last of our winter crops here coming in, about ready to harvest some beautiful kales, some beautiful chards and more. And we're really excited because we're going to completely revamp this greenhouse, and we want to invite you to come along through the process as we remove some of these giant pots, put in garden beds, put some new pots in, and have a complete new approach to growing a ton of your favorite crops throughout the season. We're going to be growing food for markets, for families, and for fun. We're going to be feeding our staff, we're going to be donating foods to food banks, and doing all sorts of amazing amending and planting projects. We're going to start planting seeds coming up soon, and we want you to join the journey. So check it out. This is baseline as we're going. The important thing that we need to do for this entire process is start planting. So we're working on getting this stuff out of here. We've got some great things going on. We're going to bring you through our seed collection from our fabulous friends at Baker Creek and see what we've got going for 2025. So one of the things that we really want to focus on as we revamp and reapproach this greenhouse is we want to make sure to plant things in waves and cycles, so we're constantly harvesting a wide variety of carrots, lettuces, potatoes, all of these things. So it's not all one thing coming in at once. So we're able to feed all the families dependent on this food throughout the entire season in a wide variety of foods. And thank you to our good friends at Baker Creek. We have an amazing box of some amazing varieties of all sorts of flowers, foods, Brussels sprouts, beans, peppers, onions, too many to list. A ton of amazing varieties. So join us throughout the season as we're popping these seeds, germinating, bringing them up into the greenhouse, getting them planted all the way through to harvest, so you can see what it really takes to produce a greenhouse full of amazing food. Thank you so much for joining us. Come along the journey. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and wherever you may find your social media.